Hi, I'm Kenneth Kondas, author and photographer of Amazing Photography, The Art of Composition. In this video, I will analyze the street photo, leading line to sunset. And I'm going to cover three elements of composition. The first, focus point, then leading lines, and dynamic symmetry. The focus point is the greatest area of contrast, which is the sunset. The sunset happens to be the lightest area, has the lightest tone, and it's the first place your eye goes when you view this photo. It has the strongest tonal contrast. Now it also has color contrast. It has a very bright orange-yellow tone, and this is in contrast to the cooler tones in the photo. Leading line. So we have this white line and it has strong contrast to the dark street. Leads directly towards the focal point. This is our dynamic symmetry grid. This is the phi ratio of 1.618. And the vehicles on the left lock into the Baroque diagonal. So starting from the lower left to the upper right, you're going to see that it continues on and goes right into the sunset. Now the reciprocal of the Baroque diagonal also aligns with the right row of cars. And as you see, the sunset intersects with the reciprocal and the Baroque diagonal. I photographed this with my iPhone 7 Plus. Now there was a special technique I used when I was in the driver's seat with my hand extended out of the window. What you do is you tap on where the sun is on the sunset, and that spot meters the sun. So it exposes and meters for that bright sun. What ends up happening is it darkens the rest of the image, which is how I got this image. Thanks for watching.